Everyone that they put up was like, oh wow. It took me a while for everyone. Hi, my name is Nancy Cato. I'm an artist and illustrator here in San Francisco, and this is my first commission at the San Francisco Arts Commission, Jamari's Journey. I think Jamari is a child who is overwhelmed by a lot of the things that are happening in the Bayview. And so that's the journey that you see here. It's sort of like he finds a portal in the Bayview, and he takes off into the universe, and he's just having a good time until his mom calls him back. Community means to me working together, regardless of our backgrounds, what we're going through, but just for me right now, it's centering on the children. It's an honor to have my work this large, and I know I spoke about the children, but they're watching us. They're watching the things that we do. I know my son's watching me. I quit my job of 17 years to pursue my artwork, and so this is not just Jamari's journey, it's also mine, and so it means a lot to me to see my work come to fruition. Ultimately, I hope that when people see it, they smile and they react to whatever's in their art.